Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, we are traveling to Singapore! Yay! On my way now to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 1 to meet my friend Arlene and her family. Let's go! Short story time muna while I'm on my way to the airport. It's not actually my first time to go to Singapore. And like my any other travel before to that country, excited pa rin ang aking pakiramdam. Lalo na makapasok ulit tayo sa Universal Studios Singapore. Yay! And we're getting near to the airport. Ayan. Isa sa pinakamasarap na pakiramdam ay ang sumakay sa aeroplano. At least for me, yung iba kasi takot Pero ako laging excited. Hehehe. Sa una siguro, yung tipong pa-take off pa lang yung airplane. Pero pag nasa impapawid na at stable na ang lipad, masarap na rin sa pakiramdam. Huwag lang magkaka-turbulence. At eto na nga, approaching na tayo sa departure area ng Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1. Tara, hanapin natin sila.
Dito tayo.
Ayan na, I'm being assisted going to the check-in. Wheelchair tayo with ate. Yeah, we are now here at the check-in counter. Ayan, yung mag-asawa kasama ko sa Arlene and Angelo. Si Daddy and si Gail. Ayan, si Arlene na nag-check-in sa amin. Group check-in. Ayan, they're choosing the seats. Yan, nakapag-check-in na sa Arlene. Babayad siya ng terminal, travel tax. Dito muna kami maghintay dito.
Empty packets tayo.
Yay, nakapasa na sa immigration.
Yung mga coins po sa
X-ray na, last stop
yung mga coins
before boarding gate.
na lang lahat sa bag. Yung
Ayan, we're roaming around the airport. Kain daw muna. Hanapin namin sila Arlene. Chow time first. Ayan. We're now heading to the boarding gate. Ayan. Pero 6:55 pa yung boarding namin.
extra lang tayo. Nandiyan naman yung passport.
Yes po. Now we're now here at the boarding gate on airplane. Sila sa loob. Makapila na kami dito para first to board. Ayun nga, dahil first to board kami, dito na kami sa aircraft. Ayan, dito Manuel, sige. Wala pang mga ibang passengers. Mabilis lang naman ang boarding ng mga passengers. At eto nga, nag-instruct na ang mga FA para sa safety guidelines while on board. Finally, nagmamaneuver na ang aircraft towards the runway para sa take-off. Ayan. We'll be traveling to Singapore for 3 or 4 hours. Preparing for take-off. After a while, ay nag-serve na rin ng food ang mga flight attendants. Ayan. I chose beef with oyster. At syempre, hindi rin nagtagal yung food sa table ko. Gutom yan. Hindi ako nagkamali sa napili ko. Masarap siya. After 3 hours or so, and announce na preparing for arrival ang pilot. The aircraft is now descending towards Changi Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing in 2 minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Landed at Changi Airport in Singapore. And finally, we safely landed to Changi International Airport Terminal 1. Ayan, tayo natin mag-deplane ng passengers. We just deplaned and yan, sinundo na ako ni Kuya. Pa-wheelchair ulit. Punta na kami sa arrival to get our luggages. Daming pasaya. We're now here at the Changi International Airport. We need to pass through malo dito sa automated immigration nila. There. This is my first time with automated immigration entry. Okay, we're done with the immigration. Automated na. Napagalitan pa ako, no video daw. Yeah, we're now moving out to take a cab going to our hotel. Ang ganda dito sa airport ng Singapore, as usual, malinis and systematic. Ayan. Sa ganyang bantay sasakay, waiting lang tayo. And we're now on the van. Gil sa likod. Going to the hotel now. Bilit. How quiet Singapore is. Latest net. Higit sa lahat, walang traffic. Diretso-diretso biyahe from airport home. Here at Oxford Hotel in Malaysia. So we are now here at our hotel, Oxford Hotel. Ayan, dito tayo sumakay kanina. But go inside and nag-checking in. Ayan, mag-asawa nag-check in para sa amin lahat. This will be our room here at Oxford Hotel. Main room. 100 beds. So may maliit na hallway going outside. So shower room. Tatlo kami magstay dito sa room. At
dito ko na muna tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!